Revive your skin's resilience. With Vegreen's breakthrough skin barrier relish serum, which is made specifically to repair and fortify your damaged skin barrier. This serum is made with Reishi Mushroon, known for its anti-aging properties. Did you know that Reishi Mushroon is a superfoods for your skin? And Reishi means herb of eternal youth. Wow! This has 5 fermented extracts such as lactobacillus, bacillus, yeast, lactococus, and streptococcus thermophilus. Also infused with hyaluronic acid, green tea, and mushroom extract. The unique blend of ingredients that will leave your skin feeling rejuvenated and radiant. It is also lightweight, has runny or watery consistency, fast absorbing, has no fragrance, and no stinging effect. So if you have a damaged skin barrier, remember, less is more, especially if your skin is in a delicate state. This serum is definitely a must-try.